Hi, my name is Nicole Gurnoe. I'm the Director for the Behavioral Health Department at the clinic. Today I wanted to share some information on our behavioral health support line and our services. If you're feeling stressed, feeling out of control, worried, or frustrated, or if you're having a hard time coping and adapting during this time, our behavioral health staff are available for you. We're here to listen to you. We're here to offer emotional support and help you develop new ways to cope during this time. Our staff are available Monday through Friday, 8 to 4:30 p.m. and the support line is 715-779-3509. Our behavioral health programs, our CCS, our CST, RC Tree, and our mental health and AODA outpatient programs currently are providing services by telehealth and taking new referrals. Our peer specialists are also providing outreach to clients and facilitating 2 online recovery groups on Wednesdays and Fridays beginning at 6 p.m. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for your time.